So you reach America, you see big house, big car, big everything, big buildings and all them things there. Nice life. You see me I say, and for your little picking you watch them thing up on TV, I say, yeah. You reach in America, everything will be smooth. You see me I say, they see your people, you go over there, you see your grandmother, your auntie, them, everybody with big things. You see me? I ask them, how can you achieve all these good things in America? You see me I say? And what them tell you say, you just have to be consistent, work hard. You feel me I say? America is a working country. You have to come here and just work and put in the work. And once you put in the work, you can achieve all of these things here. This nice life, these good things and all them something, the people. So now you say, all right, boom, you're going to do it because you know, say you have ambition and you know, say you want a nice life and you know, you want a house, a nice house, picket fence, you want a nice car, BMW, Lexus, you feel me, I say, Acura, whatever you want in your driveway. You want money in your pocket, you want able to go shop and live your life. Because when you left Jamaica, you could do all these things. You could own these nice things. You could you say you could work at Jamaica and own all these nice things right here that you see in America. So now you get the opportunity, your family tell you say that. So now you stay, so now boom, you're in America now and you start work now, people. You find yourself for work, one job, you say, all right. When you done work, you one job, you pay your rent. You say you know no more money. You say, no man, shit, want an extra job. So you say, all right, boom, you're going to take our next job. So now you start taking on 2 jobs now. You feel me? I say, you know, no time for yourself. You know, get no time for no do no relationship. You see me? I say, you find yourself I do your work in a hospital in a daytime, no in a night time. And in a daytime, you gone in a restaurant. You just a work so. Save up money because your family tell you say you work hard and you will achieve what them achieve in America, so them achieve everything. So you do it. You work, you this, you that. You feel me? I say you get tired, you get exhausted, you get depressed, you get stressed out, you miss your family back home. You realize you know no man there around you, you just feel lonely. Sometimes you have to go inside, you have to go back inside of your house, you know, you have to draw for your dildo sometimes, you play with it, say brrr, doop, 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 when you come, you feel gross, you be like, oh shit, you really want a man, you really want a life blanket, you want to feel a man pan you. You feel me? I say, yeah. So you say, what kind of life this? So you work still, because you say you have after a while, it will go paid off. So now you feel like, no, you work, no, you build up your little credit. Because then tell you, say, you get a credit, you know, build up your credit. So you build up your little credit, you put in the work now. So now you get this house that you say you want. A nice house now. Because remember you work, you go to school, you work in a hospital. And all these things, whatever you're doing at hospital, plus an extra job. But whatever, you build up your credit. So now you accumulate certain amount of money now. So you have to go put down fee down payment on the house. So you say, all right, yeah, get up it and say put on 20,000. You work up with 20,000, you put on. Once you get that house now, a credit approved, you get the house, big house now. High roof, ceiling, nice car in a parking lot, tax, property, maintenance, everything start come up now. But you get the house now, because you know once you get the house now, you start credit card start coming in mail like that card, they might try to catch you. Be a credit card that come in mail. Credit card 6,000, 10,000, $1,000. You feel me? I say? Because when they run a credit, when they check it, you pull up in their system, you pop up in their system, new house owner. You feel me? So yeah man, she credit good. Let's get her some credit card where she can spend and buy some things to put in the house. So boom. The credit card come now, people. So what you do now? Use a credit card for furnish your house. Nice things. Nice that. So now you start live now. You go outside now, you know, you enjoy your thing now, you grow now, you people now, you're in a nice car, your house and all them things, but your 2 work a kill you. Now you have to look at 3 work now. Cause the bills them start pile up now. You don't know all them bills that just get up. Cause unwanted bills are coming in your mailbox. Every time you go looking at your mailbox, your belly bottom drop. Every time you go check your mailbox, your belly bottom drop. You spin left, you spin right, you turn this, so it's the same bills, bigger bills. Every month, credit card bills, everything start pile up now. Where your people them never tell you say. Them lie to you. Them say you have to work hard and be consistent and you will achieve this. Them never tell you the full story. Say behind these house and these wealth here in America, it come with a big book of bills. Yeah. You get bills in a book right down with them own them property. Cause guess what now, people? Your bills them start pile up. Everything start add up. Yeah, work, yeah, this, you still not able to pay your bills as America set you. Cause you see some local things where they say, grab it, your credit card, you spend it when you look at max out the credit card, say, oh, me I go pay back your credit card this year. When time you have to pay your credit card bills, something else come up. And that's what's going on in America with a lot of people right now, people. Them can't catch themselves. Yeah, you might see some people in them big house. All right, go through residential area them. You feel me? I say, sure through residential area them. And all these things. You see a lot of people over there where say them take up themselves, go and live, say them want to go with the Joneses. Cause they want to hype on the Jamaican them. They want to say, oh yeah, me don't want to run a Jamaican and be a white people want to live around and be a thing. Them can't take a Jamaican them cause them want them this and them that and them want to go put themselves in a one part where them can't maintain it. Them can't maintain it for the first time. You feel me? I say, but when you're going at them, the place there, go live. And all these things there, you have land property, you have this, you have that, you have this. Worse if I want HOD house, you go get a problem that, my friend. You see me? I say, and you say when you're there Jamaica, you're there this or you're there that. But you was never going through this. So next thing you know now, people, you feel yourself start going up in a doctor now. All type of stress that come down upon your anxiety, some type of things that come down upon you because you not have time to get no hood in your belly. You not have no time to link up with no friend like that for reason for have a conversation, for take your mind off of work, take your mind off of certain things, take your mind off of biz. No, you just stuck in your head. Say yo, to achieve these good things in America, you have to work. So you come over there, you try to do the right thing. But with the right thing, most of the time is either you get sick and lonely. Let me hear in the comment section because we do a lot of feel these things. When you check out, all the bills start pile up on you days come, you feel like you don't even want to get up to go to work, people. You don't want to leave the house. You don't want to leave the house, period. So you say, no, Jesus Christ, but you can't quit, you can't do nothing because you're stuck, you're washing bills, you look on it, you go check your books to bombard, bills. No, you can't even send a $50 Jamaica. When you look now, time run off. Them say a 70-year-old if you retire. You can't even go enjoy yourself. You can't do nothing again. Because you get old now. So that's why people will get to understand in a 2026 right now, we get that is the reason why I figure out why a lot of Jamaicans are moving back home in 2026. And if them start moving, them a plan to move back to Jamaica right now. As you can see, me put in a title. A lot of them are plan to move back to Jamaica right now in a 2026 right now because the fact is the stress, the anxiety, inner-worthy. We now say a lot of people, America is a good place, You see me, I say, I just the system set up a way right now. You feel me? So we now say a lot of people now work in America and achieve certain things, people. But anyway, you take care when they achieve certain things. You more one bills round I corner, yeah. I say bills round I corner, Robbie. I think say you feel like say you get off now. You go pay after you go pay up this a big bill now. You clear up this a credit card and now you say yes, I pay my credit card, I free. You go check your mailbox to bombard your unwanted bills like one picking away your dash for a long time just pop up back so. And I tell you say, oh, I'm here, I'm you is my mother. I saw your bills pop up, you know, like so long time picking away where you abandoned or your last child. You feel me? I say, he just fine you so. And you say, well, this shit, me just clear off this. You feel me? I say, oh, you pop up back and say, me have to go pay this a bill, you know. Yeah. So people, America come with a lot of good things and it come with a lot of bad things. You feel me? I say, America is the country where that country is thus. It make for slave people in a way, people mentally slavery and all these things, people in a type of way where they set certain things and make it look like say, yeah, all right. We are give you this whole heap of thing, yeah. You feel me? I say, and so America nice. You can get free things, free credit, free this, free that. Not free. Nothing. Tell me where you can get in America free now, man. Not free, my friend. You see me I say, so somehow you know we're not jump and take all them, when you get all them credit card you know, because once you go to America now, you're social, fresh up. You see me I say, you can build a credit, yes, build a credit, but use the credit smartly. If you be a smarty and use your credit, you feel me I say, do that if you're alright. So for instance, you get a credit card for you want $2,000. $2,000 credit card. You feel me I say, and you know say, alright, you want something to buy off a credit card. People credit card of emergency. Now use the credit card and build up back your credit. If you have to spend $500, you know say, alright, spend a $500 off a credit card, but make sure you have a $500 to go pay for your credit card. One time. Don't wait, guys. So when you wait, I say, oh, next week I go put off it. So when next week comes, something else pop up. And so people get checking our credit card, you know. You feel me? I say, them say, alright, me I go pay a fee next week, man. Next week come. Next week. So interest, everything start go up your over $5,000 for your credit for the $500. You see me I say, people, so you have to be, in America, you have to be smart. You have to be smart in a them time. Everything I get dear right now. So if people them realize say, yo, America get too dear, yeah, everything, back in ideas when you want soda. You feel me? I say you could have buy one look 2 liter soda or something like that for $1. 99 cents, 75 cents. You feel me? I say one pack of Newport cigarette back then to Bombard at $5, $6. Much for that now, about $30. Jesus Christ. You see me? So if people them decide say, yo, them a pack up them things and go home back. You feel me? Some of them say them a go home back at Jamaica. We are sitting so them a go easy back and chill and wait and say if the time change up, well, them we decide to come back America and all them things. But right now, a lot of people are moving. Them a realize say over here so is a trap. You feel me? I say them get to understand say this place right here is a trap. Them start try set me up to catch me, my friend. You get what I'm saying, people? I wonder if you don't get to me, I say. So them sell then we sell these G's. So now watch the people them where they see some of them with them big house and them big ride and all these things and some especially some of them when you know come from Jamaica, you see them a show and a hype up and all them things. The bills are kill them, my friend. What me say? Bills are kill them. You have your look a nice Toyota. You feel me? I say you have a nice look 1-bedroom apartment. You feel me? I say, and you work and you can pay them bills their month normally. Stay in a that and build up where you are, build up, save your money. Nobody go get hype and go take up them something there and then think that save your money, people, and make back some link at Jamaica, connect back on the ground. You feel me? I say you can go to Jamaica and then you go to Jamaica and you're Jamaica, I say, alright, I want to try out to, and I'm going to try one different country if you go live there, apart from America and Jamaica. I give one next country on 5 years. But you save up your money. Because you never take up your money and spend and get one whole heap of bills in America. You see me? I say I'm going to breed up 100 picking over there. This how you're going around to. Some man feel like say at Jamaica on the deck. Cause some man feel get carried away with the system and go, oh, when I go to America, I say I breed, be a girl and get some whole heap of girl and all them things. The child support make you stress. Your child support make you turn in a mad somebody. A child support make you want to run back to Jamaica faster than how you reach America, my friend. Believe me. You get to me, I say, people. So A lot of people, so right now, guys, if you did it and you think right now, say, yo, watch out now, you want to make a move. You feel me? Because a lot of people are doing it. You know, see, look around the social media. If the Americans, them are moving, what are stopping you from go? You feel me? I say, Trump, them I say, yo, right now, them say system, amount of people, then say, inquire about self-deportation right now. I saw an article where they say, yo, like, it activate, like, a whole heap of people are inquire about the self-deportation fund. Because all of them I think, say, yo, right now, you know, better me go home, you know, and self-deportation go for only the people them that is illegal in the country. So if you have a green card, nobody feel like, say, you can go say, you get self-deportation and get a little piece of money. You have to be illegal. Yeah. A lot of people. So don't be scared and don't be nervous. It's a country. You feel me? I say if you want to go home, just follow the train. A lot of people are going home. It's not gonna be you alone. You see me? I say me and you know the bills are kill you. You look a pension where you get a mountain right now. You could have live good at Jamaica with a pension, then my friend. I know that if you want to look a 1 bedroom at Jamaica, want to look a board house per one land right on, they say you can fix you up. You feel me? I say? And me is not a travel guru or a man where I tell you how to live your life, you know, people. Me just I tell you what me see going on the media and what I would do if I in certain position. You feel me? I say me nah stick. Me I tell you, me one time America was good with the bills and everything was up. Now things get hard and different, people. Every dollar is a dollar, but things tight. Now, I say things are easy, same way in some part or somewhere people live easy life. Opportunities there, plenty. For 20. You see me I say? But just don't stay there and face the people. You have to think about your health too. Your health in the people. You see me I say your health. That's why so much people you see in America, they see them at 25 and 26 and 30 and they look like them in their late 50, 60, my friend. Yeah. So viewers and subscribers, big up everybody who support the channel and who check out the Deported series, them and thing like that, guys. Everybody who has supported the Deported series, thank you so much and big up for yourself and blessings and please keep on share the content, them guys. If you may say we are going to have crazy content for no worry, no so start get some travel topic outside and all these things where we are taking on it, some places. Is me come I plan to start a travel vlog. I don't know which country I go yet, but let me hear in the comment section, guys. Pick a country when I think me supposed to go vlog. I don't know will support me. You feel me? I say by streaming the content. Let me hear you know. That's it. So big up for yourself and see you on the next one. Love alone. I'm out.